Welcome to this video lecture. Myself Fatul Kumar, working as an assistant professor in Department of Computer Science, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial, Government College, Jogindanagar. In this video lecture, I will give introduction to LibreOffice. So what is LibreOffice? It is a free and open source office software that is the basically the project of Document Foundation. So it was developed by openoffice.org in 2010, and it includes various applications that are basically free and open source in the market. So the main programs that includes in LibreOffice include word processing software, spreadsheet software for the creation and editing, presentation software, diagram and drawing software, and it has also a program for working with databases and mathematical formulas. LibreOffice are available in 115 different languages of world. So it uses open document format, that is a ODF. It is a fully open and ISO standardized file format and native format to save documents of all kind of applications that it supports, and it supports the file format of other major office softwares that includes MS Office and other open office. So it is also available for Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, that is basically the operating system of Apple, and Linux operating system. And it also comes with most popular Linux distributions like Ubuntu as a default office suite. So next is what are the different kind of packages that are included in LibreOffice. So there are different kind of programs that are included in LibreOffice suite. The first program or the first component is Writer, and it is basically a word processor that has the similar functionality as that of Microsoft Word or Word Perfect, and it has a extensive what you see or what you get word processing capabilities. What it can be used as basic text editor. So for document processing, for creating a new document, for writing a new document, if you don't have Microsoft Word, then you can try this LibreOffice Writer, and it is a free software and also open source, and it also contains all the functionalities that are included in MS Word. So Writer contains all the functionalities that are also available in Microsoft Word. The next component or program that is included in LibreOffice is CALC, and it is basically a spreadsheet program that is similar to Microsoft Excel or Lotus 1 to 3. That is, 1 is the version, 2 is also version, and 3 is the version. And it has number of different unique features, including system which automatically defines a series of graphs based on information available to the user. The next component or the program that is included in LibreOffice is Impress, and it is basically a presentation program that in case of Microsoft Office we have a PowerPoint. In case of LibreOffice we have a Impress software to make the presentations as that of Microsoft PowerPoint, and the presentations can be exported as SWF files, allowing them to viewed on any computer with Adobe Flash Player installed. So SWF files are basically a flash file, so it also support to export PPT or your presentation as a SWF file. The next component is Draw software, and it is basically for drawing different kinds of shapes, ranging from different kinds of styles and drawings like such as flowcharts, and also it includes features that are similar to DTP software, that is desktop publishing software like Microsoft Publisher and Scribus, and it is also act as a PDF file editor. So Draw also act as a, if you want to edit a PDF file, So there is a open source and free software available, that is a draw software or program that comes under LibreOffice suite. The next component or program that is widely used or available in LibreOffice is Math, and it is basically the application for creating and editing mathematical formulas. So the application uses different kind of XML, that is extensive markup language, for creating formulas as defined by a open document specification. So these formulas can be incorporated with other document of the LibreOffice suite, so that you can combine these formulas with calc program to perform certain kind of mathematical calculations. And the next software, we have a base software or program that is included in LibreOffice, and it is basically a database management program that is similar to Microsoft Access. So it allows the user to create and management of databases, as well as the preparation of forms and reports that provide end user easy access to data. So these are basically the different programs that contained in LibreOffice software. So next I will discuss about different kind of file extensions. So LibreOffice basically use open document format, that is a ODF format. It is fully open and ISO standardized file format that guarantees access to your data forever. So it also encrypts the document with the help of passwords. So it is basically provides you security to protect your document from unauthorized access. So different kind of file extensions we used in LibreOffice we have, like .odt. This is if the file is have a extension of .odt, that means that that file is a basically a document file, and it is basically a writer file. And the next we have .ods file, that is basically a spreadsheet file in case of LibreOffice. Next we have .odp file, that is basically a presentation file in case of LibreOffice, and the software is Impress. The next we have a .odg extension. It is basically the illustration or a graphics, and the software we use is draw software. Next I have also included here some other extensions that we use heavily in Microsoft, that is .ppt or .pptx. It is basically a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. .doc or .docx, it is basically a Microsoft Word file. .xls and .xlx is a Excel file. .mdv is basically a database file, is a of Microsoft Access. And here there are two kind of extensions we use in Microsoft Office, that is one having without X and one with X. So what is the difference between with or without X? So X is basically for Open Office XML document, and all the Microsoft Office programs that are of 2007 or above versions uses X for saving their files. So if you want to save a file, a Word file, Excel file, or presentation file, or any kind of file in MS Office that is of 2007 or above, then it is actually by default saved as .pptx extension. But in case if you have a Microsoft Office software that is of version 2003, then it has it is not X is not included in the presentation or extension file. Next, what are the different kind of features or advantages of LibreOffice over other Office softwares? The first advantage, main advantage or feature is no licensing fee. So basically LibreOffice is free for anyone to use and distribute with no cost. So you anyone can access the website of libreoffice.com.org, and you can easily download that LibreOffice and use it without giving any kind of licensing fee. So there are no hidden charges now available or in the future. The next main advantage is open source. So with open source, it means you can easily distribute, copy or modify the software as much as you wish in accordance with the LibreOffice open source licenses. Next we have the main advantage is cross platform. So it runs on several hardware architectures and under multiple operating systems such as Microsoft Windows, Mac OS and Linux operating system. So it supports various operating systems and various hardware architectures. Next important advantage is extensive language support. So it uses user interface including spellings, hyphenation, thesaurus, dictionaries that are available in different kind of languages, more than 100 languages and dialects. Next we have consistent user interface. So all the components or all the programs have a similar look, like different components we have writer, calc, impress, draw, all have a similar look as that of Microsoft Office programs. So it is basically a consistent user interface. Next important advantage is integration. So the component of LibreOffice are well integrated with one another. This means that if you want to draw use a drawing tool that is available in writer, so it you can also use that drawing tool in calc. So you can easily integrate the options that are available in one component in the other component. The next important advantage is file compatibility. So in addition to open document format that is supports ODF files, it also support different kind of formats like Microsoft Office format that I have discussed, .ppt, .doc, XLS. It all supports these kind of formats. Also it supports HTML file, XML files, Word perfect files, and also it also support PDF files. Next is no vendor lock-in. So it uses open document. It is basically a XML file format, and it is standardized by Organization for the Advancement of Structured Information Standards. So these files can easily be unzipped and read by any text editor, and their framework is open and published. Next advantage we have, you have a voice, means you can easily enhance or software fixes and release dates are community driven. Just you can join the community, and based on your comments the community will give you feedback. They provide the enhancements, they provide the software fixes, they provide also the release dates for the new versions of this LibreOffice software. Next, how to get this LibreOffice. So you can easily download this LibreOffice for Microsoft Windows, Linux operating system or Mac operating system freely from the website www.libreoffice.org /download. So different versions are available here, and you can easily download and install in your computers, and you can use the functionality of this Office suite. You can also download the software with the help of torrent app. Also Linux users find this LibreOffice in many Linux distribution as a default. Suppose we have a Ubuntu software, so in Ubuntu this LibreOffice comes as a default office suite. Thanks for watching with this video lecture.